Cybercrime, so any criminal activities which you involved in that computer or network is called a cyber crime, or we can say it's a computer crime also. How can we protect from computer crime ourselves? First, you have to make our security software. We have to update like antivirus software and OS. We have to update properly. And if you don't use the net, we just shut down our system. And we have to share very less things in online. And before we use that public Wi-Fi, we should think whether it's safe or not. Maximum the railway, airport, in hotel they will give a free Wi-Fi. So we should you think before we use that public Wi-Fi. If you have doubt any link, we should not click the link
And
also. Cybercrime is one of cybercrime is phishing and farming. So phishing means stealing informations by sending the wrong link in the mail. The personal informations means username, password, the credit card, debit card details. Okay, it will be steal by the hackers by sending the wrong link. The link means it will be redirected in their website. Is like a original website. For example, if you have a SBI account, you want to purchase an online. So for a payment, they will send the link to your mail. It will open. It will same like as your original website, SBI website. So we should not click that link which is come through that mail. We have to check whether it is start with HTTP or HTTPS. And better, if you want to open our bank link directly, we have to go to the browser and type and then open. So how we can prevent from phishing and farming? We have to check the URLs, and if you feel that mail is comes from the suspicious persons from wrong person, if you suspect, then you should not uh, click the link, just to delete that mail. And also we should not post our information in the social network. Personal information means your birthday and where you are going, where you are celebrating anything, or your photo pictures, so and phone number, address, anything you should not publicly post on that any. See, illegal downloading also is one of cyber crime. See, we are downloading files illegally. That is illegal download. Maximum nowadays they are downloading films, songs illegally. So in the US, they'll provide a copyright law for that. And how we can provide prevent illegal downloading means, see nowadays BitTorrent. By using the BitTorrent, that illegal downloading is reduced, and also some website uh, very less amount payment we can see the lot of films and download songs also. Through that also we can prevent our illegal downloading. And that example Netflix is like very cheaper and easier. So legal manner we can access anything what film, any new film we can watch and enjoy it. So through that we can avoid that illegal download. Child pornography also is another cyber crime. See, this one is um, any one individual child below that 14 years, that minor will be engaged in a sexual related activity. Example, misusing the children photo in that any wrong websites, that's all called as child pornography. Uh, Even though the altering any images, videos of the children, it's also a child pornography. It's a crime in India. IT Act 2000, Indian Penal Code 8060 provide the protections from that child pornography. They give a severe punishment. An online scam also is one of a cyber crime. It's a dishonest scheme. Example, see, you see the one website. The website they're displaying that causes cheapest watches or anything, bag, anything. So you want to just to purchase, you just click the link and pay your amount. But after 2 3 days also you don't receive your gift because it's a fake website. Within where the same link, if you are going to trying to open, it will show page cannot found or server anything will come. So that is an online scam. So wrong fake website they will open, and then they are stealing your money and your personal details they will get from that. So how can we product name? We have to check whether it's a real site or fake site. We have to check before that giving our personal information the particular website. And what are the types in online scam is they will give unexpected price scam. You will win this much amount, like that fake message also. It will come to your mail or mobile. That also we should not believe it, and we should not give our personal details. Dating sites and the job investment. So if you pay this much, you can get this job in the toppers come, like that also message will come. We should not believe in that. And identity theft, anyone intellectual property also is stealing, there's a plagiarism. Identity theft means your personal information will be stolen, your identity, your Aadhaar card, bank card, credit card, anything. That's also come under the online scam. What is the solution from this? If you receive any mail or SMS in your mobile, we should not open it, just you should delete. That is the best solution. So recently many in your mobile you will receive message you won 1 crore, 2 crore, like that messages come to your mobile. It's a scam, online scam. We should not believe that message. Just we should delete it. Cipher forensics means it's a discovery technique in electronic way. It's used to find the criminal, and reveal the criminal evidence through the electronic evidence. What are the capabilities of cipher forensics or computer forensics? Computer exams, data analysis, database study, and malware analysis, malware virus analysis, network analysis, and photography, video analysis. So intellectual property means a thing is created by person, individual person or group of persons using their own intellectual idea, and they will use in commercially. That thing, intellectual things, is not already available in public domain. That means it's an invention. So example for inventions or new design, logo, any creativity work, and trademark. So intellectual property right means the right is given to the uh, owner of that intellectual property, because it should not be misused by somebody else. So right is given. So what are the intellectual property rights? So you can see patent, the product, their technology, and trademark to protect the word, sign, logos, and design, geographical indication, copyright. It's praised to protect or literary and artistic work as per that Copyright Act. So why we have to use the intellectual property rights? It's very important for economically growth a particular area, research, innovation, and employment. So it's very important. And why the intellectual property should be protected? Because if it is that own creativity, if it is protected, then only the owner can sell their uh, created things for commercial gains, knowledge gains, and establish their goodwill and brand value in their market. So we have to protect it. Know that finding the weakness of computer. and stealing the informations and misuse it. That's a hacking. Password hacking also is one of hacking. And type of hackers. White hat's not a dangerous person. Ethical hacker, just gaining the knowledge to just assess the systems and watch it. That's just finding the fixing and identify the weakness of the computers. And cracker is a dangerous one. They will they will do unauthorized access of our computer, and personally they can gain themselves uh, transfer fund. Also they can steal from bank account or through our credit card, debit card. Also we can steal in the informations. This is done by cracker. And cracker is between the ethical and then black hair. So non-skilled persons will be come under the gray cat. Just the app alone they will not create own. Cracker means a own program they created and do that hacking. Gray cat means already what is available in that app. Just using the tools they will steal the informations. And hack twist is also a type of hackers. The people send people send the message wrong message to that social network. Through that they will hijack our website and then hijack the website through social media. And pre-call, they will identify and exploit the weakness in telephones instead of computers. That's also a type of hacker. Is involved in the mobile phone, not in computer. This type of call is called cipher law to protect us from cyber crimes. The overall legal system deal with internet. That's a cipher law. It's also called internet law, and it prevent or reduce our damages from the cyber criminal activities by protecting our informations, our intellectual property and freedom of speech, mail, everything. So IT Act 2000 is amended in 2008 and covers a different type of crimes under cyber law in India. It provides the legal recognition to the transactions. It will happen through that electronic, through the computer. We can exchange it, right? Everything done by legally. And under the IT Act 2000, these are the sections and offense and penalties given. So 67A section, as per sections that offense publishing the image containing the sexual act, it's for that 7 years imprisonment and also fine 1 lakh rupees. Likewise, the remaining section you can see what is that offense come under these sections and what is the penalty also is given in this table. Just